This is a 2010 Buick Enclave CXL. There are 6 cylinders, 3.6 liters. You can have up to 7 passengers. And this one does have a rebuilt title. You can view the Carfax report by visiting www.onyxautosales.net. I will zoom in. You can see the rims and the tread on the tires. The interior is a black leather in excellent shape. I'll show you. Here's the bucket seats for the middle row. And then the back third row seats. There's no rips, stains, or tears anywhere. You have rear air control and audio controls. Show you there's a sunroof you can enjoy. Today it's a little cloudy and overcast, but it's still nice to enjoy sunroofs. There are no caution or warning lights on. No worries, we will get air added to that tire and the TPMS sensor will go away. You have cruise control. You can pair your phone, keep your hands nice and free to stay safe while driving. There's seat memory, power locks, power windows. Your stereo audio controls. You have heated seats. Stay nice and warm on those cold winter days. If you are looking for an all-wheel drive vehicle, come into Onyx Auto Sales, located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah, and take this Buick Enclave out for a test drive. Purchase your vehicle from Onyx, and you'll drive away with a smile and hold up the gas. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!